Welcome to episode 3 of Coding Corner's Python beginner course. Last time we learned about naming variables, and now we will be using them. Okay, so the first data type we're going to be learning about is an integer, which is a whole number. Equals 15. This is an integer and classified as int in Python. Next, we have a float, which is a number with a decimal place. So price equals 12.99. This is a float since it has a decimal. Keep in mind that floats can also be 12.0. Okay, so float. Next is a string, which is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotation marks, like message equals hello. Keep in mind that strings can also hold number values, such as 2. Okay, and this is classified as str in Python. Next is a boolean. Booleans hold true or false values. Hashtag BOOL. Okay? So, we have all these values. Now, to view them in the console when we run the program, we can use the print function. Print age. Print price. Print message. And print boolean. If we run the code, we can see all the values here and here. Okay? Next thing we will learn about is an F string. And the F stands for format. So we could write print F before we put the quotation marks. And then we write, for example, we could write you are, and close the variable in curly brackets, age, years old. Now let's run it. In addition to all of these, we now have another message that says, you are 15 years old. Okay, so to summarize, there's 4 basic data types: integers, floats, strings, and booleans. We can view messages in the console by using the print function and use the F string to add them to a string. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.